If you've ever cruised Carnival, you have just weeks to save your loyalty status or lose it forever. On September 1st, Carnival kills the VIP Club and replaces it with Carnival Rewards. And the way you earn status? It's no longer about how many days you sailed, it's about how much you spend. For 14 years, VIP was simple. Sail a day, earn a point. Your loyalty was measured in time on the water. Reach Platinum at 75 days, Diamond at 200, and it was yours for life. Carnival Rewards flips that completely. Now it's 3 stars for every dollar you spend on your fare, your drinks, your Wi-Fi, the spa, everything. Time doesn't matter anymore, only the receipt. Here's the part catching people off guard. Your status as of August 31st locks your starting tier, but you have to actively opt in through the personalized email Carnival sent you before September 1st. Don't opt in and you lose everything, no matter what tier you earned. Thousands of cruisers are scrambling to find that email right now. Now, there is some good news buried in here. If you hit Diamond by August 31st, you keep Diamond for life, grandfathered, after the backlash. Platinum members get a soft landing, a grace period through December 2028, plus a 10,000-star boost. But everyone else? Your status now resets every 2 years. Earn it or lose it. Lifetime status is dead unless you're already Diamond. And read the fine print, because it gets worse. The new terms include a mandatory arbitration clause and a class action waiver. Oh, and your points and status? They're explicitly not your property, have no cash value, and Carnival can change or kill the program whenever they want. You're not really earning anything you own. And here's the kicker. Carnival Corporation just posted $9 billion in customer deposits. They are not hurting. This change rewards the big spenders and quietly pushes aside the loyal, budget-conscious cruisers who built the brand. So if you cruise Carnival, find that email, opt in before August 31st, and protect what you earned. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Carnival just made a mistake, and will the loyal Carnival cruisers out there stick with the brand through all of this? Or are you finally ready to jump ship and try Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, or MSC instead? Drop your tier and your take in the comments, because I genuinely want to know where the loyalty lands after September 1st.